Hey guys, sorry for Cyclone FPV. We're getting ready to do some RMAs. So I got another one here, right here. So let me go ahead and open this up. Try to keep the information off the screen there. Who the name is of the customer. Try to keep that information private for whatever reasons. But let me see if I can get this stupid envelope open first. I'm trying to do this. All right. So I believe what's in here is a JHEMCU flight controller. Here it is. Gentleman says that when he plugs in power, he gets nothing to happen. But when he plugs in his USB, it's no problem. So let's look and see what we got here. Okay, so I'm a little confused about this part, but let me just check it out. All right, let me get some goggles on for this thing, some blind man spectacles. Oh heck, I need my glasses to be able to see one. Here they are. All right, let's see what we got. Nope, my wife is home with lunch, so I better take a break here in just a second. All right, looking at the board. I'm going to verify that we do get something with the USB. And we do. Let me go ahead and open Beta Flight. Hey babe.
Food.
Need some help?
Oh, I got it.
Okay, huh? Be there in just a second.
Okay.
Okay, so he's right. So at Beta Flight, we do have, let me show you, we are in, there's Beta Flight. Okay. So we are functioning here for the most part. I'm just going to check the board out a little bit more. I'm confused about how we got this solder on here. There is a spot on here that is, we need to get the microscope, but let me just check something out. So let's get our, okay, good there. Now, I'm going to plug in positive on the ground, as steady as I can. All right, I'm going to give it I get complete function out of this. I don't understand what the problem is. So I've got positive here, ground here, board is functioning perfectly fine, everything's reading fine. Connected to Beta Flight, and I get my voltage reading. So let me take a step back here and see if maybe I'm missing something, but I'm not seeing that at all. When I plugged in to USB, it functions fine, but on 2, 3, or 4 level, I don't get any power. What? Or its accessories. I've been shopping in the store. I'm sorry, but I don't see it. I don't see that at all. So it looks like this is a pretty simple issue. Maybe there's something wrong with what the customer is doing, but board's working fine. Absolutely nothing wrong at all with this board. So we'll go back and let them know. I don't know what else to say, guys. Thanks a lot for your support. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Always appreciate your support, guys. We'll talk to you soon. God bless. Be safe. See you around. Bye.